Hey everyone, Erica with a K here. This is a really special video for anybody who's interested in knowing how my husband's doing. This is my husband. He is doing so good. But we're going to show you how I style his hair now that we're growing it out. So we're in a grow out phase. If you guys want to see how I cut his hair while we're growing his hair out, we want it to be long. I'll definitely show you that. But this is how we style it in the interim. So I went in with the styling mousse from Rockstyle Cosmetics. This one's going to give him a lot of volume and it's really good for blow drying. So I put it in his damp hair. It wasn't completely wet, but it was damp. We probably could have done it if it was a little bit more damp, probably would have been good. I could have put some more water in it just for the sides because his sides do get a little poofy because he does have naturally curly hair as well. But so we just take the demi brush. I never had to know how to say it. The brush that my dad would use, and I thought it was the weirdest brush in the world until I got to beauty school and they were like, here's two of these weird brushes. But anyway, this is my husband saying his hair is so big. But basically, we're just going to blow dry his hair up. And we're going to blow dry the sides in the direction that we want them to go. Then I'm going to go in with the Rockstyle Hair, Scalp, and Body Butter. This is what I use in my hair all the time as well. We're going to use a little bit. It goes a really long way. We're going to put it in our hands. And we're just going to use this to basically control and manipulate the hair exactly how we want it to go. I like to put it in my hair to make it piecey and separated. I'm going to put it in his hair to just give it a little bit of weight. I like it because it's movable, it's flexible, but it also does give a hold, which is really important in a hairstyle like this, and it just gives it like a really cool look. Then we're going to go in with the R & Co Outer Space. This is a flexible hold hairspray, and so as you can see, as I'm spraying it, I'm still able to totally run my hands through his hair, which is really important to him. He likes to have like movable hair. Our sample sale is still going on until the end of June, so if you want to try out these products for as little as $3, use the link in my bio.